Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome in the next video tutorial of EMS course. In this video we are going to learn about how to reply to the senders or the receiver message. Suppose this guy have sent me how are you, so I should reply this guy on their question. Like I will drag their chat, and suddenly keyboard will open, and when I type something and click on send button, so basically this chat will be considered as a reply, and I will call I'm good. So how we will do this is very simple. So this text only considered as a replyable widget. If I drag myself widget, it will not reply, right? So if I drag on this widget, it will only be considered as a replyable image. And for this special animation, there is a widget called dismissible, and inside dismissible we have a function called confirm dismiss. So here I will write few things. First of all, I have created a variable called reply text. So I will so basically I'm going to reply to this text, so it will be a message that I'm going to show over here. So this message will go into a variable called a reply text, and the next thing that I will do is I will await user for a 1 second, future dot delay and duration of second one. So basically the user will be delayed for 1 second, and then I will call a function I have created, open keyboard. This is doing nothing, just it's opening a keyboard. And after this I am going to call a return false. False because we are not going to remove this widget from the tree. If we make it true, this widget will be removed from the tree. Like if I drag this to the end, you guys can see it comes back. If I make it true, this widget will be entirely removed from the widget tree, right? So let me give it a restart by Control S, hot reload. Now I'm going to drag this widget. Okay, this has been dragged and keyboard has been opened successfully after a 1 second delay. So this is how we are doing a reply. Now if I write anything over here, so I'm going to reply how are you. So my reply is I'm good and how are you, right? So this is going to be the reply that I'm going to send to his question. Now what we have to do next upon clicking on this button, so we are already doing same thing and sending a message to user by clicking on this button. So we have to do a little bit change over here. Okay, so let me show you black send icon. So this is the button that is performing already. So I have to implement one check. The check is very simple. I have to check if reply text dot length, if reply text has something inside, right? If reply text is not empty, then what should you have to do? You just have to do a data, and first of all we have to add new variable inside the map called reply, and we have to add a reply text over here, right? And another thing, we have to change the type, because we are not just sending text. In this case we are going to send a reply, so I just make it I sent a reply. That's it guys, we just have to add a reply, and then we just have to change the type to the reply. Okay, so now I'm going to and again we have to make this reply text widget empty string, right? And Control S, right? It's done. Now I have write it I'm good and how are you, and if I click on this button, okay, basically this information has been sent it to the user, but we are not able to see because the type is not mentioned in our widget tree. First of all we have to add this uh, widget in our widget tree. Okay, here it is, yeah, or here. So basically I have sent this widget, so we have to add another case over here. A break statement is required. I sent reply. Okay, and I have created I sent. Okay, what the name of the reply widget? I'm just going to see send reply text to text. Okay, the widget name is I sent reply send reply text to text widget. So basically this is the widget that we will be using for the reply. If I remove this and I can show you. So yeah guys, you can see I have hard coded everything. You replied to GK Kaushik, this guy, their question was hello and I have replied hi. So basically these two things are hard coded. Now we have to replace this with the actual values. Okay, now I'm going to accept document snapshot over here, and now I'm going to parse both message and reply text over here. String message, right? Now let's do same thing for the reply. Okay, so now let's replace. So this hello will be changed by reply text, and hi hi will be replaced by message. Let's see in action. Okay, somewhere we are creating a mistake. Okay, it's here. We have to pass date of index. So yeah guys, you can see basically it is showing that how are you, and I reply to this person, and my replies I'm good and how are you. Now let's try to send another reply. Okay, it's send it, and you guys can see how are you. I have replied from where you are. So basically we will be arranging the sequence as well in the later videos. Okay, now let's change, as we have did for these things. Let's change the UID to these messages as well, so how it will be looking in the receiver side. Okay, over here the first message is one and second is the reply, so I have to change the UID in the second post. Let's see, remove the 3 from here. Okay, so basically it's not shows because we have not implemented I sent reply inside the else case. Let's call break and call it on here receive reply to received. I'm just going to change received reply text to text, and also we have to send the same things over here as we have did in case of my context. I'm going to copy same things. Okay, and we have to paste it over here. Also we have to accept document snapshot doc, right? How are you doing? This is a reply text, sorry, reply text. I'm going to change it to the reply, and this I'm doing well is a message. So yeah guys, you can see how it is looking inside of the receiver side or the sender side. A reply to you, how are you, I'm good, and how are you? So that's it guys for today video. Let's meet in the next video. We will be fixing the UI of the chat, so the new message will be showing at the very end, and all the times etc will be corrected in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.